142 days above $100,000, but one move could send Bitcoin crashing back. Here's what's happening. Although the Bitcoin bull run has been consistently interrupted by recurring price dips, the leading cryptocurrency has now maintained a price above the $100,000 mark for 142 consecutive days. Bitcoin is at risk of retesting its $100,000 level if we see Bitcoin close below the $107,200 support level. Dip below this support level might see Bitcoin retest $100,000 or possibly fall as low as $93,000, a level not seen since May 2025. Bitcoin's resilience above $100,000 for the last 142 days, with a growing institutional interest and consistent inflows recorded by the spot Bitcoin ETF. However, recent market trends show high profit-taking activities among holders and rising exchange inflows, which suggest that traders are beginning to play it safe. Although large corporations like MicroStrategy and BlackRock have remained resilient in their Bitcoin accumulation strategies, the Bitcoin ecosystem is still faced with high selling pressure from the old whales, causing its price to fall below previous lows. If Bitcoin holds above $107,200, could restore confidence, allowing Bitcoin to maintain its close above $100,000 and potentially never retest that level again. In the past, the S&P 500 fell as much as minus 10% within 6 months after the Fed's first cut following a pause of 6+ months, when the economy entered a recession. When a recession was avoided, the S&P 500 rallied more than 10%. Software and technology investment contribution to U.S. real GDP growth surpassed 1 percentage point for the first time in history. Contribution has doubled over the last several quarters. It has also exceeded the previous peak reached during the dot-com bubble in 1998. However, after the bubble popped, software and technology businesses were the biggest drag on GDP during the 2001 recession. Deutsche Bank estimates that without technology spending, the U.S. economy would have been close to or in a recession. The AI boom is driving economic growth. President Trump, over the last 60 minutes, announced 100% tariff on pharmaceuticals, 50% tariff on kitchen cabinets, 50% tariff on bathroom vanities and associated products, 30% tariff on upholstered furniture, 25% tariff on heavy trucks, and said he would cut interest rates down to 2%. This is by far the largest wave of tariff announcements in months. All of these tariffs are set to go live on October 1st. So, Bitcoin's fate now depends on whether that $107,200 support holds. Break it, and we could see $100,000 or even $93,000. Hold it, and the bull run might get even stronger. I'll keep you updated, so make sure to subscribe and stay ahead of the market.